Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel as in physics course. Today I have problem solving for IGCSE. This is physics for paper 2, multiple choice extended. The syllabus 0625 slash 22 in May June 2019. Okay, let's start our explanation about the problem solving here. Yes, number one, the which quantity can be measured directly using micrometer screw gauge. Yeah. Okay, I think the area is not correct answer. The mass also not. The thickness of the sheet paper, I think this is and the volume still is not correct. Yeah, the answer is C. Then number two, four objects are moving along straight line. The distance of the object from a fixed point on the line plot against time. Each object in decelerating. Which object this with decelerating? See, this correct answer is D. Why? This is come to 0 and at the time. This is distance. This is time. So distance will be going down. So question 3. Question 3 is a heavy metal ball falls vertical downward through air pass for equally spaced travel G, K, L, and M. So this is level G, level K, level L, and level M. Time taken from one level on next are measured. Yeah. Where is the speed of the ball greatest and which time it's sorted? Yes, the greatest, as we know, this is the greatest is M and the lower is G. Then if we see speed is greatest between L to M, this correct answer, and the time is sorting between this is about time sorting is GK, yeah. Sorry, this is time LM also, so the answer question is D. So the next question is four students make statement about the mass of an object. Which statement is correct? Yeah, the mass of an object depends on gravitational field. No, this is not correct. The mass of an object divided by its weight is equal to acceleration with no. It's actually the weight divided with mass. Yeah, the mass of an object increasing when the temperature object the mass is not depend with the temperature. The mass of an object resists change in motion the object. Yes, the mass. We repeat again. The mass an object depends. No, the mass object divided by its weight is equal. The mass of object divided by its weight. The acceleration. No, the acceleration is weight over the mass. Yeah. Increasing temperature object increasing. No, I think this is the correct answer. So next question, a metal has density 8 grams centimeter cubic. A solid cube mass 1.0 kilogram is made from metal. How long inside the cube? Okay. If we calculate this is in centimeter gram, so we get this is around 1000 grams. Yeah. So volume is mass over rho. Mass is 1000 gram and divided by this is equals to divided by 12 1 to 5. Yeah, 1 to 5. So how long is inside of the cube? How long each side? Yes, if we this is 5, yeah, 5 to first, because 1 to 5 equals to what type 5, yeah, 1 to 5. Okay, the correct answer is C. Now continue to number 6. Yeah, the number 6 is an experiment carried out determines spring constant for spring. Different loads are hung from the spring into length, measured each different load. The graph show how its length varies with load. Okay, what is the value spring constant? Yes, the spring constant, let's say we get, use this one, yeah. Mm, spring constant is force over x, yeah. If we see, let's say from 4 to 16, this is 16 minus 0 divided by 16 minus 4. So we get, sorry, sorry, this graph around the weight and length, we need to find constant spring, yeah. F delta x, f equal to 16. Let's say from this 16, yeah, 16 minus 0, this is 6, sorry, 3 minus 0, yeah, force with 16 minus 4, this is 3 divided by 12, or 1 to 5, yeah. This is the answer for it. Okay, now number 7. A beam is pivoted as center of mass, yeah, and actually to force 10 and 5 Newton as shown, yeah. What is the resultant moment about the pivot? Yeah. Resultant moment, it's about the pivot. If we see the 10 Newton, 10 Newton times with pivot to here is, because 25 and 15, this is 10 or 0.1 in meter. Also minus 5 times with 0.15. 1 minus this is 0.75. This is 0.25. Yeah, 0.25 is as the this is Newton meter, or we can use this Newton 200 Newton centimeter. Oh, sorry, 25 Newton centimeter, and clockwise because this is positive, yeah, clockwise. Okay. Continue number 8. Which object is equilibrium? Yeah, an object 2 Newton and 2 Newton, it will be raised into other direction. It will be not equilibrium. Here also it will not equilibrium, and here will be equilibrium because 2 Newton is act on the one point. So the answer correct is C. And then number 9, an object mass 4 kg moving velocity 3 in straight line. What the momentum object? Momentum is mass times velocity. Mass is 4 times 3. This is equal to 12 kilogram meter second. Then continue number 10. A machine is very efficient. What does it mean? Produce large amount of power? No. It used very little energy. It was very little energy. It worked very quickly? No. It was very little energy. Number 11. A force F acts on the body. The body moves in distance d in the direction of the force. With expressed for work done, W is correct. The work done is force times d here. Okay, and number 12, a boy produces average power output in 60 watt as the ride bicycle 2 minutes. How much useful energy does he expend? The energy is power times t times time. Yeah, 16 times t, 2 minutes equals to 2 times 60. So we get 7 to 100, yeah, D. The answer is D. Okay, continue. Number 13, the diagram shows the stone suspended on the string under the spirit of liquid. The stone experiences a pressure caused by liquid. What will increase the pressure on the stone? Decreasing the surface arrest the stone, increasing the mass of the stone, lowering the stone deeper into the liquid, or using a liquid with lower density. Increased pressure, yeah, pressure depends on rho g h, yeah. Then h, I think the correct answer. Lowering stone deeper into the liquid, C. Okay, continue number 14. A room temperature iron is difficult to compress. At the same temperature, oxygen must easier to compress. Which composition structure in iron oxygen blend this? Yes, the iron particles are closer together. The iron particle have greater mass, or the iron particle can be magnetized, or the iron have less average kinetic energy. Yes, because the iron have less average kinetic energy. This is about the temperature on there. The correct answer is D. Then number 15. A net storage heater contains a large block of material that is heated electricity during the night. During the day, the block closes door, releasing thermal energy in the room. Which thermal capacity and which time temperature increase will cause the most energy to stored by the block? Thermal capacity of block, large or small? A night storage heater contains large bulk material heated electricity. Large and nighttime temperature increasing small. The correct answer is B. So 16. 100 kg of water, 25 is poured into insulated 5 gram added to water. The water stirred until temperature water to 0 degrees Celsius. 18 gram ice remains unmelted. The specific heat water 4.2 joule per gram degree Celsius. Which value does experiment give the specific latent heat fusion of ice? Okay, the water 25 pour insulated cup, yeah, gram ice 0, added the water. So we get the formula Black principle. Q water equals to Q ice, yeah. Q water MC delta T for water, and the ice ultimate melting, and MC delta T. So the water is 100, sea water is 4.2, and delta T is 25 minus 0. Mass, the gram is 18, and the latent heat of ice is this is the question is only until 10, yeah? So we get the 18 if we 18 is divided by 3, 7, divided by 3, this is 6, divided by 3, this is 6, 7, 2, so 14, yes, and 25, this is around 2500 divided, so divided 1.46, sorry, this is 1.46, yeah, let's say this is around 0.2, let's say 25 times 2, around oh my god, Yes, around water. Yes, around 210. The handle of metal suspension is made plastic. Suspend head handle get warmer with stationary molecule of the plastic radiate this energy. Molecule plastic prevent more pass their energy, or the free electron plastic transfer. No, no, the heated molecules precisely move along the plastic handle. No, the plastic. No, this is the correct answer is D. Okay, continue number 18. The number 18 is the metal surface of kettle is hot. What element cool outside kettle when it comes to contact with hot kettle? The density air decrease or the density? Mm-hmm. Does it decrease? The yes.